find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Roxley and I am back with another wig review. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Also make sure you're hitting that bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. So today you guys, I have another unit from I Use the Hair that I'm going to be showing you guys. Of course, it's the one that I have in right now. Without even saying anything, I know y'all can already tell how I feel about this unit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into the review. And if you want more deets and specs about this unit, I will see you in the outro.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Alright you guys, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit. First and foremost, I am absolutely in love with the vibes. Like, I'm so in love with this. I was looking for like a curly bob that was just like really perfect for the summer. I know I did like a shorter like pixie style one last time, but this is so light, guys. Like, oh my god, I'm so in love with it. So once again, I did receive this hair from iuzhair.com. Let's go ahead and get into the deets about this unit. So this is their deep curly bob unit. The length is 12 inches, so if you guys are wondering about that, I will be leaving the link down in the information box below if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit. All right, so I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see what we're working with here. But these are the curls, these are the vibes. Like, y'all, I am so in love with this hair. Like, it's giving me really beach summer, you know, like maybe go to the pool or something like that. Like, I even have on like a bathing suit type look with this right now because I just love the vibes. I love how it looks, and I love how light it is, you guys. Oh my god, I love how light this is. Like, it's not too heavy, it doesn't feel hot, it's very light on your shoulders. Like, it's just so pretty, fun, flirty, really cute type of wig. All right, now this is your standard construction. So you get 2 clips in the front, 1 clip in the back with an adjustable strap. You also get an adjustable band. So this is it right here. I removed it just because I really didn't need it, but it comes with it for you. So if you are in need of it, it's gonna be there for you. All right, it also comes with your adjustable strap, so you have like a lot of security with this unit. Now for me, when I normally put on my wigs, all I do is I clip the back end and just leave it as that. So I don't even like use the adjustable straps or anything like that, just because I feel like it's not really needed, and I don't want it to be like too tight on my head. So that's the reason why I do it like that. But like I said, sis, if you're in need of it, it's there for you. All right, now I absolutely love the packaging that it comes in. So this is the packaging. If you guys saw like other reviews that I've done for them before, this is the packaging that it comes in, and it comes with a really cute hanger so you can hang your wig, girl. So you can hang your wig. So it comes with this hanger right here. I'm actually gonna clip this baby on here and hang it up on my little portable closet thing that I have one on. So yes, sis. Overall, this unit, I would definitely say it is beginner friendly. It's like so easy. Once you apply it on, you just fix your baby hairs, you're really good to go. I really did not apply any makeup to the parting space, although I could have. They do a really good job at bleaching the knots and everything. So as you can see here, it just looks really, really, really natural, like the parting space and everything. So that is the reason why I personally didn't put any makeup on there. I might put just a little bit up here because I feel like you can see the lace just a little bit right here. And I'm a little bit darker tone, so I'm gonna like play around with my makeup and just put a little bit there. But overall, guys, this unit is bombdiggity.com. If you guys want more information about the products that I used to achieve this look, because when I first put it on, the curls were a little bit different, and which I love that about this unit because it gives you like a little bit of a variety. So if you didn't want like the wet juicy curl look, you want more something like natural and just kind of like wild looking, you can just leave it as is. You really don't have to apply these products, but this is just what I decided to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and discuss with you guys everything that I use. So first and foremost, as far as to lay my lace down, I use the olive oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. It's infused with castor oil for strength, but it says it's used for lace fronts, wigs, and weaves. So I swear by this thing. Like, I used to use Got To Be, but then I fell in love with this, and I just love it. Like, it just really works really well for me. So after I did that, I kind of to get my curls nice and juicy, like you're seeing it right now, like it's super pretty, as you guys can see. I use the S Curl No Drip from Luster's. It's a curl activator moisturizer. So when I applied it, it gives a little bit of different effect than like if you were to use like mousse in your hair. It gives it like a wet, lustrous look. Like, it really does. It really does the job really, really, really well. I definitely recommend this if you want, you know, this type of look with your unit. You definitely don't have to. Like, if you want to just use your mousse, that's fine. The mousse that I personally use is the Nairobi mousse. That's what I use in my hair. I just use that to mainly mold down my edges before I apply the Got To Be glue gel. So this is what I use to kind of make sure it stays in place. It's the black one. absolutely love this thing. I swear by it. I haven't switched the product just quite yet because I just love it. All right, at the end, what I applied to get my curls, it's a little bit, I don't know, a little bit more bouncy and like just like really like, I don't know, like extra pizzazz. I applied the Garnier Fructis Curl Nourish leave-in treatment. Now a lot of times I like to use leave-in conditioners in my hair, like if it's like specifically for curly hair. I like to use it because it kind of substitute like from using like a mousse in your hair. So I apply just about a little bit of everything and it smells amazing. So that's another thing that I love about that. Now this unit, speaking of smells, it did not have any type of like weird bad foul smell. Like this is jamming. This is the vibes. I absolutely love it. Y'all definitely need to go ahead and check them out. iusehair.com. They do an amazing job, I feel, with their lace and everything and bleaching the knots. So if you're someone who's not good at like bleaching the knots and all that jazz, then you definitely need to go ahead and check them out. All right, but yeah, this is the vibes, and I didn't do any kind of cutting or whatsoever, just like to the sides right here. But other than that, like I did not do any type of like cutting to this unit at all. This is the length. It's 12 inches, like I told you guys before. It's a deep curly bob unit. All right, but let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm gonna do like a little twirl for you guys one more time before we wrap this thing up. But this is what the side looks like. Once again, let me back it up for you. So this is what sis is looking like from the side, and this is what sis is looking like from the backy back, and this is what sis is looking like from the side, sweetie. So she is super cute, guys. Yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Let me know if you're gonna purchase this unit. Super affordable as well. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next wig review.